What's going on, guys? Today back at it again with the truck content. Might hear some little bit of noise while there's cars and stuff driving by outside of my apartment here, but today we're going to start working on a custom grill for the F150. So to accomplish this, I'm going to use this tape measure, a Sharpie, and this big ass sheet of cardboard to start making a template, and maybe with some hopes and dreams we can actually accomplish this custom grill build that I'm kind of planning here. Put a picture up here on the screen real quick of what I have planned for this. Insert picture here, and as you guys can see, I don't want to do anything too crazy. I want to do something kind of different than everybody else. Hopefully you guys like the design. We might modify it a little bit as we go, but let's get started here, get some measurements, and then we'll start cutting out our template. Alright guys, now I have my terrible sketchy measurements scribbled out on my cardboard. So we'll take this back inside and see if we can get the first part of the outline drawn up and cut, and then go from there. Alright guys, here we have the kind of grill outline shape cut out. Next step is going to be to try to figure out the actual dimensions of the pattern, the grill shape, how I actually want it to be. See if we can get that cut out and hope it maybe fits on something. Alright guys, after a little bullshit, indecisiveness, and not being able to measure real well, you can see I took some stuff out here. Everything with an X needs to be cut out. I think we got the shape down pretty well. Pretty well matches the drawing. I didn't really have any dimensions to go off of as far as the drawing, so basically I had to figure out the dimensions for this. Everything here, all the trim pieces, that's all 2 inches. This right here is 2.5 inches. I want to leave space here. The idea behind this is to have a single row LED light bar in there eventually. Whenever I first make this, I probably won't cut it out right away until I actually end up getting a bar that I like. So that part will probably stay solid. But this just gives a little bump up just so that can go in there nice. And then everything that's X'd out, as you saw in the picture, or if you stayed around and looked at it, that's going to be a mesh insert. And then, so this will be one piece. And then the mesh will be one piece that sits behind this piece. And then on top of this piece, I'm going to do a custom cutout Texas badge. Alright guys, there you have it. The template is finished. Definitely not the best thing in the world, but I think it turned out decent for the amount of time that I actually put into it. So I guess we can go ahead and put this up against the truck, see if it fits, see how far off it is, and then kind of close out the video from there. Alright guys, there we go. Looks like shit obviously because it's cardboard, but kind of an idea of how the grill insert will actually look. It'll go obviously inside the blue. The blue will still be surrounded. The insert itself will be a gloss black. That's what I'm planning on. Definitely needs a little bit of adjustment. We got it pretty close based on the measurements. It's kind of bumped out a little bit just because the Ford emblem, this will actually sit flusher than the stock grill. The Ford emblem kind of bumps out there a little bit. This will be pretty flat, but that's how she looks. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and as soon as we get some metal, we'll keep moving forward on this, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you did, please remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, dislike, tell me why. See you in the next one.